Hi, Pop here with AVORed.com. By now I hope you've had a chance to visit our website. If not, please stop by and see us at AVORed.com. Today we're going to talk about operators. Did you know that Liftmaster is the #1 professional grade operator installed in the United States? You betcha. If you have a garage door company come out, they're going to bring Liftmaster with them. If they don't, you might want to start looking someplace else. The first one I'm going to show you is a chain drive. I want you to listen to these more than watch them. Chain drive. Notice the noise? That's what I really want you to hear, is the noise. The second one's a screwdriver. I don't know why, but if your bedroom happens to be over the garage, quiet might be of interest to you. This is one of my favorites. That's a belt drive. Ooh, is that a nice one or what? You betcha. Now I'll tell you the nice thing about that, that belt's guaranteed for life. There's one more thing I'd like to show you though. If you've got a garage door operator and it's got this rail going down the center, it's got this quick release just in case your garage door gets stuck. You've probably seen videos on TV with somebody snaking this up between the garage door and the header. And what they do is they just reach in, there's your quick release, pulls it down, bada boom. If your door's attached to that, and it will be, they're in your garage, guess what? He's in your house too. We've got a better answer. It's called a jack shaft operator, model 8500 by Liftmaster. It mounts directly to your header, easily installed by most homeowners. It attaches to the torsion tube. It's got a lot of features with it, but one of the best features is an integrated deadbolt system. So when your door comes down, that deadbolt through it, nobody's breaking in through your garage door. Tell you what, you're safe inside and they're kept outside. It also has another feature. It's called MyQ Technology. For more on that, here's Wayne.
Hi, I'm Wayne. One of the latest and greatest things that Liftmaster's come out with is MyQ Technology. They finally caught up with everybody in their smartphones and their internet-enabled computers, and with a free app from Liftmaster, you can control or monitor your door from anywhere in the world. For more information, here's a short video.
Your life is busy, constantly away from home. You're at work, at a ball game, hundreds of miles away, relaxing on the beach. Or you're driving when you hear a voice in your head, oh no. Did I close the garage door? The answer and peace of mind is right here. Your smartphone, tablet, or computer and MyQ Technology, a free mobile application from Liftmaster, the #1 brand of professionally installed garage door openers. If your garage door has just been opened, or if it's open for longer than you expect, you'll receive an alert on your mobile phone. You can then use MyQ to close it from anywhere in the world. And to ensure the safety of anyone near the garage door, there will be an audible sound and flashing light before it closes. If you won't be home for a scheduled delivery, have them call you. Then use MyQ Technology to open the garage door. Liftmaster also offers features like Security Plus 2.0 technology, which assures a new code with every use, so it's virtually impossible for anyone to steal your remote control signal. Yes, there's a lot to love about Liftmaster. Safety, security, convenience, and peace of mind. It starts with your professional Liftmaster dealer.
I hope you got something out of that MyQ video. Pop, you got anything to finish it up with?
Yeah, you kind of wonder why I'm wearing this jersey. I lost a bet with my son. He's a big... Look, glad you swung by today. Hope you get something out of the website. Remember, AVOverhead.com, your one-stop garage door shop. Thanks, and we'll see you in the spring.